Just coming in at Park Mazda, everybody, is this all-new 2023 Mazda MX-30 EV GT, coming in this beautiful Zircon Sand Metallic color in the multi-tones. It does come in two other colors in the multi-tones, like the Soul Red Crystal Metallic, and the Ceramic Metallic color does come in with the dark gray roof. And the single tones do come in with a jet black mica, polymetal gray metallic, arctic white, and a machine gray metallic color. This vehicle is in the electric crossover segment with 143 horsepower and 200 pound-feet of torque inside of a 35.5 kilowatt per hour lithium-ion battery. This vehicle does have minimalistic body lines all throughout the exterior with black cladding and paint matching door handles. And in the front, you got a very futuristic looking front end grille with your 18-inch gunmetal finish alloy wheels. You got electric vehicle badging all throughout the exterior with your 161 kilometer range on a full charge. You can get 20 to 80% charge in 36 minutes using a quick charger level 3. You got suicide doors to help you get into the rear, big roomy trunk with a rear trunk privacy cover and a 60/40 rear seat split, LED headlights that infuse into the front end grille with tasteful chrome trimming. You got circular LED taillights that stick out to the side, reminds me of the old Mazda 3 taillights. You got Mazda badging on the rear left and right pillars, heartbeat mimicking LED turn signals, and let's check out some of the interior. We got our leather and cloth combination upholstery with power on the driver's side with lumbar support, of course, and in the back you do have controls to adjust the driver's seat to get in and out easier. You got tilt and sliding moonroof. You got a floating center console with cork all throughout the interior. Cork, being one of the most renewable materials in the world, is one of the reasons why it was used all throughout the interior of the vehicle. The other reason being was Mazda was actually a cork production manufacturer back in the 1920s in the infancy of Mazda. That's actually Mazda's first ever logo, and that's the production site that they created corks from. Taking a look at the driver's side cockpit, we do have a brand new electronic climate control. You can adjust the heated seats and your heated steering wheel. You got your 7th gen steering wheel with your digital gauge cluster with the analog gauges on the left and right sides. You got your heads-up display available as well with your premium Bose sound system. And on the bottom left, the steering wheel column, we have our memory driver seat, buttons to turn on and off our safety features, and we do have our 360 overhead view cam. And with this MX-30 being an electric vehicle, there are new tabs within the infotainment screen that gives you information about charging levels, energy efficiency, charging schedules, and many more. So that is going to wrap it up here for this quick walk around of the 2023 Mazda MX-30 EV GT. If you guys have any more questions or want more information about this unit, please visit us at parkmazda.ca. Don't forget you booked in for a test drive on this brand new 2023 MX-30 EV GT. Thanks for watching, everybody.